Hey everyone, hope y'all are doing well. Hope everyone's staying safe out there. So we've got a really neat old Sargent Padlock here. I've seen quite a few with this design. I've actually got another one that's a bit smaller that I'm in the process of restoring right now. Unfortunately, to gut these you gotta hammer this pin out and then the whole bottom drops out. There is a screw down the shackle hole, but that is actually just to remove and replace the shackle, which is a pretty cool idea. So this Sargent here came with two keys. One of them looks like an original key. It's definitely an old Sargent key. But I'm not sure if it was the original key for this padlock, because both of these keys here are the Sargent LN Keyway, which you can see on the back of this one, it's stamped Grandmaster. This is actually Sargent's Grandmaster Keyway that will fit in basically all of their other keyways. There might be some high security keyways that I'm unaware of that they don't fit in, but in the standard L keyways, they fit in all of them. So this here is an old Sargent with an LA keyway, and it fits right in there. I don't know what keyway this is, but it is not the LN. It looks similar to the LA, but there's a few differences. Not many. It's pretty similar, but like this piece of wording right here is a bit sharper on the LA. I'll have to check to figure out which keyway this actually is, but the keys were cut on the LNs, probably because the locksmith that cut them didn't have any others, but who knows. So still works great. Definitely a really cool looking old lock. I love these things. So let's see if I can pick it. Most of these Sargents just have standard pins, but they are made pretty well, and this one actually feels kind of squishy, which is kind of weird. You don't get real solid clicks out of the pins when you set them, at least not all of them. But it's definitely a cool lock to pick. Scraping on the wording a lot there. Generally, when I'm picking Sargents, I use pretty heavy tension. we go. Definitely interesting picking a lock where you can't really tell when the pins are set or not. You just kind of push them up until they feel like they're supposed to stop. But anyway, yeah, so I don't know if you can see down in that shackle hole there. There you go. There is a flathead screw down there. And if you take that screw out, it loosens up a plate inside that then can move over and allow you to pull the shackle out. So, pretty cool old design. I love the look of these things. But, yeah, there you go. Alright, I'll take care. Have a great one. Stay safe. Alright, bye.